I'm Paras, and we are here to learn Java from Java Programmers Hub. You can continue to experience more learning from Java Programmers Hub YouTube channel, Facebook, Insta, or Threads, whichever you like. First of all, creation part. Java was conceived by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Rath, and Frank Mike Sheridan in Sun Microsystems 91 and was renamed as Java from Oak, which was the earlier name, in spring 95 with the public announcement. However, in fall of 92, the initial implementation was made and many enhancements were made in the prototype for the first release. Since it is a programmer's language, as it is designed, tested, and refined by real working programmers, hence it is simple to learn and easy to get mastered with. So let's continue exploring Java in upcoming videos. Thank you.